Oh, guys, tell me to press record next time. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, we can cut that. We can cut that. No worries. Hi, guys. My name is Rajan, and on behalf of everyone here at the DCM, I would like to wish your family a happy Independence Day. Today, I have a little bit of a festive painting that we can do to make fireworks, and we're going to be using nerds as well, because we're all about playing with what we eat. So today we have nerds firework painting. So it's really simple. The supplies that you will need: paper to paint on, water, and a cup. For the water, you want a paintbrush because we're going to be painting with the water, and then we're going to sprinkle on some nerds and add in a few details with a pencil. Let's take a look at the steps that we have. We have step number 1. With our pencil, we're just going to make an action line on our paper. No worries, I'll show you guys what that means if you have no idea. 2, you want to use your paintbrush to paint water where you want your fireworks. Pretty simple, right? I want a firework here, you just gotta paint it. And then last step, you want to sprinkle your nerds on your wet paper. The color from the nerds will actually bleed onto the paper, and the last thing you have to do is let it dry. Let's go ahead and start making our painting because it's so easy. All right, so we're here with all of our supplies. We have our paper, our water, our cup, our paintbrush, our nerds, and our pencil. So first, what we want to do is with our pencil, make an action line on our paper. So the action line is basically the firework coming up so that people know that it's exploding. So basically it's just a small little line that you can draw, and then you want to draw a dot right above that line, so that way it looks like your firework was traveling and now your firework is exploding up here. Once you're done with that, once you're done with your line and your dot, you're actually done with the pencil. So you put that aside, and next you want to grab your paintbrush. So step number 2, use your paintbrush to paint water where you want your fireworks. So we want our fireworks near our dot because that's where they explode from. Alright, so we're painting our paper. Alright. So once you have it painted, you're going to take your nerds and then you're going to sprinkle them onto your paper. Right everywhere that you just painted water. And then you can just spread them out, and you might be able to see already that the color is already bleeding off. So what you want to do next is take a little bit of time to let your painting dry. And after your painting dries, you should have a little something like this, a little firework. And that's how we make our nerds firework painting. I hope you and your family have a great Independence Day, and I hope you guys stay in tune for our new videos. Thank you.